I'm caught fillet in golden crumb, only birds I know how they like their fish fingers to be. They make some fish fingers look a right motley crew.
Captain's table for tea.
I only choose the best for the captain's table.
Peace and blessings, family. Sister Ajali, this is going to be real quick for real. I don't know if anyone who's asking what to use instead of sea vegetables is getting my responses. In my conclusion, YouTube is a genocidal collaborating platform. And so I waited to see if anybody would hit like on my responses, and I'm getting nothing back. Anything coming from a body of water, unless it is a sustainable indoor farming, process, and they filter their water with the understanding of what filtration process will get the radiation out of it, and it's quite an elaborate process. Then don't eat anything that is, fish, crustaceans, sea vegetables, whatever, okay? And so in the meantime, I just called this company Global Healing Center. They source their iodine from salt mines in Utah. So that would mean that they are in the ground. That would put a company. I don't get any money from them. I mean, when I call. And so that is a good source to get it from. I didn't tell them anything. I didn't say anything about Fukushima whatsoever, amazing as that sounds for me. So based on that call, I definitely recommend, and Nation iodine is the most bioavailable in your body. So definitively, what we really have to do is figure out how to produce our own iodine, so that, because forget the coronavirus, I knew, and I did a share long ago, how to survive the fall of white people, because as people start succumbing to the radioactive contamination, different organizations and institutions that we depend on will no longer be here. There's already, I don't know. All right? I love you, family. Straight black pride and same black love, and oh my goodness gracious, I'll never have to do another share again.
Sandwich craze at fast food.
That's my twin brother. Oh, wait, it's just my reflection. Man. That's it's forever.